Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Surrender and let go of the past. Whatever life takes away from you, let it go. When you surrender and let go of the past, you allow yourself to be fully alive in the moment. Letting go of the past means that you can enjoy the dream that's happening right here, right now. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 96, Nasdaq up 20, S&P's up 8.5. Gold contract down $2.30, trading at 1,234. How's that? 12.34. Silver's up 19 cents, $17.94 an ounce. Platinum down $6 at 1,008 an ounce. Copper, holy cow, copper up 12 pennies. Wow. 277 a pound. That's intense. Bonds, 10-year note down 5 ticks, 124.24. 30-year bond down 13 ticks, 151.25. Now notes and bonds, folks, back down, light volume, rejected lower price out here with light volume. So those babies still want higher price, lower yield. King dollar up 153 ticks at 100.800. Euro is 106, and the yen is trading at 113. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You got another day, you got another high, you got another light volume. Pretty amazing, too. So you did 65 million yesterday. That was taking the high out. That had done 59 million, which had taken the high out. That did 142 million. And today, folks, we get 40 million. So bottom line is that anemic volume, yeah, in a huge way. If we look at the NYSE, this may be one of the lightest days of the year. It's going to be a close call. We're at 486 million right now. So bottom line, it's 486, 586, 686. You're going to get about 686. They could put about 200 million into that, and that's anemic, no doubt. Nasdaq Composite, we're at 1.4. That'll come in about 1.6. Big numbers. Gold contract, GCJ. So we have what the gold contract is this. Gold contract out here, they got it down to 12.22 today. Rejected, lower price. Bottom line, gold continues to want higher price. Nice little setup here. You know, we've basically, gone from this December level of 1132. You're at 1234. This little baby is pushing into its supply line. They're pushing into that supply line with volume. So I expect what you're going to see here is that we're going to make this run up to the 13 number. Silver, same type of setup in silver. Silver out here today actually is getting the juice, and you've done 86,000 contracts, okay? Silver is just wild anyway. But bottom line is that you're not only getting price movement out here today, you're getting the wide price spread, you're getting the volume behind the move. We're at $17.95. Now, the top of this bar that has been eating into, that supply line there, is $18.95. So we're at $17.94. The bottom of that bar is $17.26. I expect you're going to see it going to run all the way up to the top of that bar. Notes. We take a look at the 10-year note first. What you have with the 10-year note is this. It backed down today, 1.1 million contracts. That is after, put this up so you can see how this shakes out. Okay, so we make a high on Wednesday with 1.7 million contracts. We backed down yesterday with 1.4. You do 1.1 today. What you do is that you go down, have light volume, reject lower price, bottom line, bonds, notes want higher price. What I expect you're going to see here is that this note market wants to run up to the 127.07. That is the lows of the downdraft from November 6th. We go take a look at the 30-year bond, same type of setup in the 30-year bond. We've done 264,000 contracts out here today. You're trading at a price point of 151.26. That had made a high on Wednesday with 327,000 contracts. You go downtown yesterday with 299. You do 264 today. It rejects lower price. 30-year wants to get up into the 155.13. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? King dollar is in a confirmed ABC structure on the way down. You get a price projection out here of 96.985. King dollar is up today, and you're up on 33,000 contracts, and you're coming into 57,000. Bottom line is that this is building cause to get into lower price, and in fact, it may be a much larger. Let's see, 101. No, it wouldn't. Well, thus far, it's not a larger ABC because the C point on this ABC structure on the way down is 101.015. Now, check this out. This is pretty wild, actually. Looking at that, that's exactly what we hit out here today, too, which is pretty wild. XAU, HUI. So what do we have inside the XAU, HUI? XAU is trading up $1.43 right now. You're at $95.45. This baby is basically making its way up to the 101.76, which is the highs of September. And August is game. That's the bill bottom line. The Gold Bugs Index, that was the XAU. The HUI right now is trading at 218. This is making its way up to the 250 mark. Small caps. We go take a look at the small caps. What you have with the IWM right now. IWM has done 19 million shares. It's holding price. I mean, it's at its highs. With the last consolidation, last high out here was 138.82. You're talking 34 million shares. Thus far, we've done 19 million. Bottom line, we'll see whether we can hold the 137.55 area. 137.55, folks, is the 25th, January 25th swing high. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials right now up 97. Nasdaq's up 20. S&Ps are up 8.5. We're going to bring it back.